Nick Simon with Alvarado Dormakaba Group, here to show you our solutions that we're exhibiting at GSX 2024. Over here we have our SU5000. It's our optical speed gate designed to ensure that we only have authorized personnel come through the facility, right? So we want true one-to-one control, and in the event that there's a unauthorized passage, we want to detect that and then let the end users and the facility managers know when it happened, right? So I'm going to present my credential. Turnstile is going to unlock, and I walk through. Once that passage is complete, the turnstile will relock and wait for that next activation. So now what I'm going to show you is I'm going to scan my credential, and somebody's going to try to follow me through. We're going to detect tailgating and show what that looks like, right? So I scan my credential, I walk through, and then somebody comes behind me and tries to gain authorized passage. Well, she's not valid. So what you might be able to see, and it's really loud at the show, right? But what you'll see is we have a notification that a tailgate alarm occurred, right? So we had flashing red lights, we had audible tones, and then also what's going to happen is we're going to send that signal to an external source, like your access control system, so then now you can monitor and know when you have these tailgate events and respond to those accordingly, right? So, this solution, high panel, low panel, available in any finishes that you want, but really just know that it's designed to ensure one-to-one control in your space. So as we move through our booth, we have different layers of security that we can offer our clients, right? So we look at this one, full height turnstile, and Alvarado's been making this since 1956. This is our model MST. It's the same scenario as the one we just talked about. This turnstile is designed to ensure one-to-one control, right? I only want authorized personnel to be able to go through. So we're showing this with the Alcatraz Rock X, a new product by them. So I'll show you how this works. I'm gonna scan my face, and then it's gonna unlock and allow one person to come through. So scan, walk through, turnstile rotates, automatically locks. Now we wait for my next rotation, right? Or my next activation, rather. So again, this is ensuring that for maybe not your interior lobby, but maybe your perimeter fence line, you want better control. You don't want to have an open door where somebody might be holding a door open. Turnstiles, when integrated with an access control system, card readers, facial recognition systems, effective way, right? So as we move through the booth, show you one more product. A lot of the solutions are the same. So this is a swing optical lane, just like we had over there. But then we'll talk about this one over here, which is a product innovation that we have been introduced 2 years ago. This is our V60. So what we find is a lot of these buildings and entry spaces weren't designed for optical turnstile lanes, right? Well, you might not have the space, so we designed a compact barrier optical turnstile, this most compact turnstile available in this marketplace, that can still do everything that a traditional speed gate would do, but in a much smaller footprint. So I just misplaced my card, but essentially we have an algorithm that is detecting an area, creating like a mesh field to ensure that only authorized personnel would come through. So I'm gonna grab a card really quick, and the same as what we did over there. I'm gonna scan my card, and then come in behind me, somebody's gonna come behind me and try to tailgate, and we're gonna show how this system would react. So I walk through, authorized, and then the bad actor is detected, right? So now we have the same thing that happened over there, the same level of security and detection and monitoring on a much more compact space, right? So if you have a lobby that doesn't have room for a 52-inch wide cabinet or deep cabinet, this is a unique solution that can work for your space. And again, it'll tie into all the technology that you're probably already using, access control software, proximity readers, barcode, facial recognition, elevator dispatch. Just know the turnstile doesn't care, right? Our job is to provide you feedback when something bad happened. All of our turnstiles will either detect when that bad thing happened or prevent that bad thing from happening. Thank you for your time. If you're looking for more information, please let us know. You can visit us at Alvarado MFG, that's MaryFrankGeorge.com.